You might not believe this, but this YouTube channel has generated over 30K a month just by uploading simple bedtime storytelling videos for kids. If you look closely, you'll see they don't just have a massive following of nearly 3 million subscribers. Every single video gets an insane amount of views, ranging from tens of thousands to millions. And the best part? You can achieve the exact same results without ever showing your face. In this video, let me guide you step by step on how to build a faceless YouTube channel, also known as YouTube automation, the ultimate passive income machine in 2026. I know you've probably watched dozens of tutorials out there, but here's the problem. They're only telling you half the truth. Most tutorials are generic, they hold back the best secrets, or they force you to buy expensive courses just to get a real process. But this video is different. Today I'm handing you the complete treasure map, a detailed, step-by-step workflow to turn you into a true marketing expert. And I'm giving it to you completely for free. Here is a brutal reality. Even though AI is convenient, why do many creators still choose to film manually? Because they are stuck in the tool matrix. You need one tool for scripts, one for images, one for voiceovers, and another for editing. It's expensive and it wastes so much time. But the good news is, I've found the master key that solves everything. Introducing QVID. This isn't just an AI tool, it is a full production studio right in your pocket. QVID is the ultimate multi-purpose solution. From script to video, AI-generated UGC, voice cloning, to the trending stickman videos. It's all here. No editing skills needed, no complex file conversions, and here is the craziest part. When you register today, you get 100 credits for free. That means you can create your first 5 to 10 full-length videos to test your channel without spending a single dime. Your risk is literally zero. Let me prove the power of QVID right now with 3 simple steps. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude to come up with a thrilling story concept for kids. Copy that content. Step 2. Go to QVID. Select the script to video feature and paste your script. QVID will automatically analyze the context. Step 3. The most crucial part. Customizing the soul of your video. At the generation preset, what style do you want? 3D Disney, Japanese anime, or cinematic? Pick it right here. Voice setting. Choose a warm, engaging voice suitable for kids. Production. Hit generate and wait for the magic. Once finished, you have total control. Review, edit specific scenes, or swap images if you want. Finally, hit export full HD. Boom. Not just English. QVID helps you dominate the global market with multi-language capabilities. You can easily monetize audiences in the US, Spain, or Japan. And I almost forgot to tell you a secret. Did you notice how smooth the voice and visuals in this video are? Exactly. The video you are watching right now is also a 100% AI-generated product created entirely with QVID. Don't let technical complexity hold back your dream of financial freedom any longer. QVID is here to remove all those barriers. The opportunity to lead the YouTube automation trend is in your hands. Go to QVID.ai right now to claim your 5,000 free credits and start your content empire today. Don't wait, because your competitors have already started. See you at the top.